Let's look at returning values from a function. This is kind of how functions are supposed to work. So I've created a function, defined a function called a square area. So it's going to calculate the area of a square given a side. So we all know you multiply the side, you square it, side times the side, and we get the area. But we want that to come back to the program. So the more common way of using functions is not just to call it and it does it and then you get back to here. It's to call it to get a value from it. So I'm going to say right here that this is going to be area equals, and then it's going to call this function and it needs to return that value. So return area. Cool. So at this point, we have calculated the area by passing it the value and getting the value back, which we then put into area. Got that? Let's just print it out just to see. So print f the area of square with side, and that's going to be side is, that's going to be area. Cool. Let's just quickly run that. So side length of the square 4, and hopefully we've got the answer 16. Okay, so this is a really important idea where we return a value from a function.